Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a smoky eye using several products by SigmaBeauty. You can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at SigmaBeauty.com. I'm first starting off by priming my face using the No Poreblem Primer by Touch & Soul, and then I'm color correcting using the Kokie Be Bright Illuminating Concealers in green and lavender. I'm using the SigmaBeauty F80 brush to blend out my foundation and concealer, and it's doing a really nice job in not leaving any streaks. I'm then setting my face with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Finishing Powder and sweeping the powder away with the SigmaBeauty F06 brush. I'm now contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and then warming up the face with the Buxom Hot Escapes Bronzer in the shade Maldives. I'm popping on some Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop using my Morphe M510 brush, and then for blush I'm applying the SigmaBeauty Aura Face Powder in the shade Nymphaea. I'm now setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and then moving on to brows with the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown, and then I'm setting my brows with the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Defining Gel.
Take what you want from me, I'll give you everything, all that and more you'll see, just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be.
Now it's time to move on to the eyes, so I'm first priming my eyes with the Eyeshadow Base Primer in Persuade by SigmaBeauty, and then I'm packing on some of their Wicked Gel Eyeliner to my eyelids as well. I'm going to be using the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette today, and I'm taking the shade Henna on the Sigma E38 brush and blending out the black. I'm now grabbing the shade Toasty and using this to blend out the shade Henna. I'm then packing on some Fool's Gold on top of the black using the SigmaBeauty E20 brush sprayed with some all-nighter setting spray. Now for the finishing touches, I'm applying the Wicked Longwear eyeliner pencil to my upper and lower waterlines, and then I'm buffing out my lower lash line with the shade Henna from the Warm Neutrals palette. I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the shade Humble from the palette, and then highlighting my inner corner with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. Last but not least, I'm applying some Eylure in Vegas Nay Luxe Collection lashes and a Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Calypso.
It's delicious.
And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at SigmaBeauty.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!